Hey guys, this is a simple, easy, and quick recipe that is a healthy, filling, yet flavorful either lunch, dinner, or even snack. This is the Banzo Smash. If you're not going to soak and cook your own chickpeas, Eden is one of the only brands that I trust as a health coach. And no, this is not a promotional video in any way. I just happen to know that they can their chickpeas properly. I think it actually says on the back, soaked overnight and pressure cooked with no chemicals. And oh, I forgot, they also add kombu. If you're unfamiliar with kombu, it's a seaweed that adds vital nutrients and trace minerals along with making your food more digestible. So along with the chickpeas, get some more kombu in your life. Okay, so we start with pop, then we strain and rinse, and then we take some of these and we smash. And I have some smashed over here already. And if I'm real busy, I'll just throw these in a bowl, put the toppings on, and eat it right out the bowl. But I have a little more time today, and this is actually quite fun, therapeutic, smashing these garbanzo beans. But anyway, moving on. So I'm going to top this with our Noble Made mustard barbecue sauce. It is a super healthy, super clean, and very low calorie sauce, and it's absolutely delicious. And most importantly, it only has 1 gram of sugar, but it's a natural sugar. If you can see the ingredients, that comes from the pineapple juice concentrate. And this is absolutely one of my favorite sauces. I put it on everything. So there's that guy. Then we are going to shake on some Eden Shake, and those of you who watch my videos know I love Eden Shake, but it's basically furikake seasoning without the sugar, and that's important. No sugar, right? But still has that umami from the sesame seeds. So shake, shake, shake. And today I'm actually feeling like a little nooch on top. That's gonna add some extra umami and of course those yummy B vitamins, a bit of more plant protein and also fiber. And I just mix this up, and again, you can eat this straight like this, but today I'm actually gonna put this on a bed of greens. And there you have it. It is a perfect lunch, dinner, or even a snack in a smaller portion. It's clean, it's healthy. You have your healthy fats and omegas from the sesame seeds, your healthy proteins and carbs from the beans and the nooch, and lots of fiber. So there you have it, the Banzo Smash. And that's it. Ciao.